Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new yarn unboxing, supply unboxing. Okay, so I have bought couple of yarn, just two I believe. I ended up paying custom fee, $13.68 for a small amount. So the total, it was just $99 I think I spent. Here are the amounts. Yeah. Okay, so let's open this. This time it arrived super fast because Canada Post is not on strike. Like, I believe in 7 days. Yeah, so this arrived compared to the last time. It took almost 2 months because of Canada strike and so on. So, they did take their precious time to ship it, though. That's another thing. Ooh, nice bag. I recycle these bags because we can't even buy plastic bags for our, small bags. Okay, so I'm just gonna dump this. I did use a couple of my points. Okay, and I think they added. Oh, here they are. Here are those yarn. Oh, I never bought these before, so okay. So this and this, oh, the other one fell. This are from my points I use. Oh, this yarn is so thin. I'm planning to make socks with this. It is thin though. Yeah. Well, I have to work with it. I just love the color. Actually, I'll cast on right away, and then I will give you my feedback. I believe this is sold on iceyarns.com as well from Turkey. So here are the content of the yarn. It's 70% wool, 25% polyamide. It is soft. And it's asking me to use, can't see, but you can see the needle size. I'm having a bad eye today. I can't, for some reason I can't see. You can't knit it with a 5.5. Is this wrong? I think this is 2.5. Yeah, this yarn is really thin. Yeah, you need to knit this with a 2, not even a 3. Oh well. So check my shorts. I will post this when I finish it. And when you're having bad eyes or I have glasses, so who wears them, right? So with these points, oh, this is nice. Because I keep on losing my big ones. The one that I have is has an eye here. I lost one in the room. It's somewhere. Maybe the vacuum took it. I don't know, when I was vacuuming. But yeah, this is really nice. So these two are from my points. If you do shopping, you will get points. So this is nice. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Okay, so I'm into the Tunisian crochet. So I bought these. Oh, these are nice. They're so expensive here on Amazon. So when I saw these on Hobbii, I said I need to get them. So these are metal. I like metal. I really don't like bamboo, but when you don't have the needle, you use your bamboo, right? So, yeah, these are really good quality. But, see, I'm having problem with these edges, these pointy hooks. Can you see? Because I love my tulip, and it's really hard for me to work with these because of the... But I'm planning to make mittens or even socks for donations. So that's the reason I already have the wooden ones that I bought from Amazon. So it's number 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, and 7. So if I need to work with a thicker yarn, these two are perfect. Even these, well, 4 of them are perfect. They're called double-ended Tunisian crochet hook. With these, what you can make is baby hats, scarves, a scarf, I'm not quite sure, but if you do the round, and mittens, gloves, socks, slippers, and so on. Okay, so yeah, that's the reason I bought this one. And then I saw, because I think these are discontinued from Knit Pro. They don't make these anymore, and I really like the DPNs that I have. They're really good quality. So I thought, oh, this isn't coming out. Here we are. So they only had the 5 and it says 5mm to 5.5. So that's what I bought these. That's the reason. So I bought whatever they had. But I really like the quality of this. You know what I mean? Like, it's not, it's smooth. So that's the reason I bought this. So this is the between to 5 to 5.5. Here's the other one. Oh, this is nice. Thin. I can make socks with this, or mittens, or gloves. This is between 3 to 3.5. And the other one just fell here. So they only had 3 different. Oh, this is the thick one. This is nice. Oh, this is 9 to 10. So I can use yarn like this to make fluffy, you know. The paper is not good quality. It just rips up so easily. And I like to store them in there because I don't want the tips to get damaged, right? So this is nice if you're going to have a thick yarn to work with. Yeah, so I really like this. That, you know, to grip it, it's nice. And what you do is you crochet and then you turn your work and you pull. You finish that row. So stay tuned for the tutorials. I haven't made the hat yet. I made the scarves, the neck warmers, but I haven't had a chance to make the hat. Oops. Okay, let's talk about these. Oh, this is so soft. Oh my goodness. I believe I saw this on one of a podcast, Yarn Hoarder, something like that, but it didn't have the label. So I searched the picture, and this is as close as it can be, I guess, but it had the yellowish color. Maybe the picture, you know, the video was changing the color, but oh my goodness, this is lovely. I don't know what I'm going to make with this. The yarn is thin, though. Yeah, I love green. I love these colors. I can make something for myself. But I believe this is, oh, I can make socks with this. Look at it. It's 57% wool, 49%, can't read, I'm sorry. I can't see clearly, but you can see it has acrylic 49, I believe. Actually, this is 51, I think. It's 200 gram. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I can make with this. You can make anything except socks, because socks do, oh, you can make everything. With the 100%, you can't make socks because they wear. I did that when I was learning how to knit, and they don't last long. But this is just beautiful. So I will put this in my stash. Okay, this yarn I bought, it's the same. So this is called Winter Glow. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the, yeah, the custom fees kind of, you know. But what I just need to check the sales, and then, you know, so I can cover my custom fee when I'm needing to buy. Okay. So when you spend, I believe, $99, you get free shipping. So I did have a coupon code, I believe, and so I saved money with that. So this is the lot number and the color for. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't read because my eyes are very bad today, and I don't know why I didn't put my glasses, but yeah, next time I will do that. So I bought this for my husband. My husband, oh, wears hats a lot. So I have this alpaca. I noticed it. I wash it with my hand and lay it flat dry, but still it's felted. Like it is felted. He still wears them. He will wear it. And I think he's been wearing it over 10 years now. So I thought, and I do have other acrylic yarn that I bought from Hobbii Lobby. And I do use those yarn to make hats for him. But, when you wash them and you put them in the dryer, he's been wearing them for 3 years, I think. Like, he changes hats 3 times a week. So, yeah, so I thought he needs something woolly, and I thought this color would be perfect. So I'm planning to make a hat. I'm going to make my own, so I will design my own. Yeah, when I say make my own, I will design it myself, and I will do the tutorial, so you can make one for your loved one as well. So here's the lot number, the color number, and so on. Sorry, I can't give you the details, but I am showing you. The colors, I thought that it would be perfect, for males. Yeah, and I do have merino wool and stuff, but that's the thing. You can't put them in the washer and dryer. So, I can wash so many stuff, and my hands, when I'm washing and scrubbing, washing, it hurts. So I have to be careful. So that's the thing. So that's the reason I bought this, because I can put this in the washer, I believe, and the dryer. Yeah, it says. So, but I just need to be cautious. Maybe I will just lay it flat to dry. It says it's a 3-weight. It is really thin. Yeah, so I might do double. I don't know. We'll go and we'll figure that out. But, yeah, this is my yarn haul. Just a small amount. I don't want to buy big. But I've been buying from Temu. That's another thing. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to gather those yarn, and I will do show a review with you, because they're adding up. Yeah. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care, and I will see you on my next videos. Bye-bye.